Design-specialized venture business, Unidesign providing new designed product development and various suggestions about interior design. 7 different styles of products of Unidesign that always has suggested fine quality home decoration during 23 years. Tile work is not difficult with BEAUSTile. BEAUSTile is a new concept of adhesive tile that is easy and simple to use. BEAUSTile. Do you think tile work is too big and labor-intensive for you to do by yourself? Now you don't have to worry. BEAUSTile, with a 3-dimensional effect and smooth-like glass surface, changes home atmospheres easily and simply. Then, let's check the simple construction method of BEAUSTile. Anyone can do it with only a cutter and a pair of scissors. Like this, detach the PET film at the back side and paste it onto the surface by pressing with your hands. After that, detach a new BEAUSTile and paste it next to the previously attached one accordingly. Continue the previous process and carefully paste it accordingly. In order to paste the BEAUSTile properly, press it with your hands. Straightly cut the front part of a BEAUSTile. After detaching the PET film at the back side, position the BEAUSTile and slowly paste it on the surface. In order to paste the BEAUSTile properly, press it with your hands. Then, it is completed. As shown in the above illustration, after detaching the PET film at the back side of another BEAUSTile, place it next to the previous one, according to proper spacing. Paste it by pressing from the top. In order not to generate air bubbles inside, carefully press the BEAUSTile. Lastly, paste the part previously cut from the BEAUSTile, as shown in the following illustration. Straightly cut the front part of a BEAUSTile. After detaching the PET film at the back side and sticking it carefully by pressing with your hands, paste a new BEAUSTile next to the attached one at the same height. In order to paste the BEAUSTile properly, gently press it with your hands from top to bottom. Lastly, paste the part previously cut from the BEAUSTile, as shown in the following illustration. Straightly cut the front part of a BEAUSTile. Place the BEAUSTile and slowly paste it, detaching the PET film. In the same way, after detaching the PET film of another BEAUSTile, place and stick it next to the previous one, according to proper spacing. In order not to generate air bubbles inside, carefully press the BEAUSTile. Lastly, paste the part previously cut from the BEAUSTile as shown in the following illustration. Now, let's check the BEAUSTile's unique strengths. While a PVC product is burnt, as shown in the following picture, BEAUSTile is excellently fireproof, as it shows little change even over 1 minute when it is exposed to a fire. BEAUSTile can be cleaned with a simple wipe over when it gets stained. BEAUSTile doesn't include harmful ingredients. BEAUSTile not only obtained KC, Korea certification, but also is safe as it doesn't contain heavy materials such as cadmium or mercury. Also, BEAUSTile is flexible so you can paste it onto even curved surfaces. Therefore, it has a wide application. Unlike in the past, the home atmosphere feels fresh. It is not difficult. As shown above, even you alone can make your home new easily and simply with BEAUSTile's uniqueness. Unidesign's BEAUSTile. Try a new concept adhesive tile.